Hey guys, this is my 67 Buick Special. I bought it about 2 years ago. It has a 430 cubic inch Buick big block engine, turbo 400 Buick transmission, the variable pitch converter, which actually works once I hooked it up. A while back I got a pretty good deal on a Richmond Street 5-speed transmission, manual transmission. So this video is documenting how I installed the manual transmission into an automatic car. I found this manual conversion kit on the parts place. They have kits specifically for 67 Buick, which is what I needed. This is unboxing some of the pieces from the kit. I also ordered paddle pads, which didn't come with the kit, and this inspection cover plate. Shift hump was also separately ordered, and the shift boot was another separate piece. Retaining ring for the shift boot, and there are the pedals. It was pretty easy. You just remove the original brake pedal and the new clutch and brake pedal bolt right in place of it using the original bracket. Here's the plate that holds the steering column to the firewall. I was able to remove it from the inside, and we had to cut a hole for the clutch push rod to go through the firewall, which connects to the Z-bar. Here it is with the hole. Here's the old brake pedal out. Just one bolt, one nut. Here's the new pedal in, the new clutch pedal. There's a little interference with the push rod. I had to bend the clutch pedal a little bit. Okay, we're out here with Frank. Manual trans swap. And we're just about to get started loosening up bolts. Nice. These bolts were kind of loose.
What?
The U-joint.
The U-joints?
Yeah, two of them were tight. Two of them were like, just kind of snug.
Just hanging out. I'll leave this here. Just throw bolts on if you need.
Cool. Nice. Exhaust bolts came right off. That's a good sign.
Oh yeah.
Well, let's not get excited yet, right?
Huh?
Let's not get too excited.
Yeah. Well, not just that, but you'll fill up while you're driving.
Okay. It's loose. The lock washer broke?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We're on.
Run. All right. Looks like it's separated.
Yeah, you got it nice.
Off the load. Oh, the exhaust pipe.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Put it in the back up. Down. Nope.
Oh, these are not steel. Hold on.
Where's that one?
They're not steel. They don't stick to the magnet.
Oh, yeah. Fell right off.
Seems like it's off now, right?
It's coming out right now. Good?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just coming down. Not pulling anything with it.
Good.
Good sign. That's it. Push it down.
Okay.
Now I might have to make the car go back up.
Get it out?
Yeah. Let's just go this way a little bit.
Oh, it's tipping.
Jesus Christ.
Is that tight?
What is that supposed to be?
Feels like it wants to tip forward.
Why did it tip? Oh, because all the weight with the converter. We have to hold it together.
You have to hold it? Okay.
Hold on. Can we go out? No, this dipstick tube's gonna hit everything. You want to hang right there and I'll...
It's tipping again.
That's the converter. This is probably full of fluid too, right?
Oh, yeah. I mean, maybe we should get it off there because it's going to make it a lot lighter.
Yeah. What, take the converter off, you saying?
I guess, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Absolutely. It's a lot of weight in front.
This?
Yeah. Let's see. Should we get a tray under it? It's gonna pour out a ton of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
You get that pan?
Throw it down somewhere.
This thing?
It'll just rotate forward. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's weird, right?
Yeah.
There's nothing holding it.
There's nothing stopping that pin from riding back. All right, you want to see if the converter will come out?
I guess.
I'll hold the tail down so it can't. Whoa. Yeah.
I might need help with this. It seems pretty heavy. All right, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, that's a real deal 11-inch converter. They just leave it like that.
Huh?
Just leave it like that.
Yeah.
Pour out.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's much better now. Look, it doesn't even want to tip. Have a lot of
Yeah,
weight
it
in
has a
front.
lot of weight on the front. Yeah, this jack's kind of crappy, Frank.
Stop for the other thing. This thing's not letting back in. Let's see what this did. Let's see what this thing. All right. Well, now we can at least leave it here. I could raise the car back up, get it the hell out, and then come back in.
Okay. Okay. I mean, that looks like a lot bigger hole than the bushing is, but I could be wrong. I gotta get the,
Bushing that you got?
I gotta get the bushing.
Yeah. I mean,
Looks like a big hole, right?
This outer. Unless it's supposed to go to the inner.
I think it maybe goes on the inner. I don't know. I gotta see.
You clear the firewall. It's not even the firewall anyway.
Here's the bushing. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It would go on the inner.
Yeah. You just have to get it machined down a little bit, you said, right?
Well, we got to measure it, right? Yeah, it's okay. I thought it looked bigger.
That's gonna be tough to measure.
Yeah, because it's all recessed,
How do you
right?
get the calipers in there?
Yeah. Yeah, that would be tricky. The pilot bushing is a little bit too big for the hole in the crank, so we need to file it down slightly. So, starting with 1094. And we need to get it down to about 1075, hopefully. We'll do the trick.
Go with the heavy guns.
Yeah,
Take
what is this, the 80 grit?
Yeah. Let's just do like light pressure and see where you go.
This is why they were talking about files.
Yeah. It's pretty coarse stuff though, okay? That's the way you want it. Clean up with this. Hold up here next time so it's not trying to walk away.
Thanks. About the same.
Trying to a little pressure on it. So 1085, like that, 55.
No, we need to get it to like 107 something, right? Is that what we measured? With the wooden thing?
Right.
Wasn't it like 107.5?
Yeah. So it'd be like 108 is where you want it.
I guess. Well, it's close. It's better. Definitely goes in a little bit more than before.
Oh yeah? Would it be enough if you...
It's definitely real close, I would say. I don't know if it's right, but it's better. The what? On the camera? Oh. It's a new battery, so hopefully it's all right.
So you ought to try to put that in now. Kind of starts to fit.
It goes in a little bit more. See,
Okay.
like it kind of holds itself.
I mean, when you get one, it's like that, but I don't know how much more you want to take down there.
Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say.
Well,
You know, because all of a sudden you go too far,
And then it's it.
you're finished. Yeah,
Yeah.
and you start over.
If you throw it in the freezer, will that be enough to
We
shrink
could try
it down?
it.
And then
You could try it.
we'll put like a little WD-40 and you just... But then once
Set
you
it
start
off.
hammering it, you can't take it back out again.
No, you got to commit.
You want to hold it?
You want me to do something?
Yeah. You want to start tapping it? I'll just hold it straight.
Okay. I don't know how hard to do this.
I can blast it.
Blast it?
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
Anything?
I think it's going. Yeah, she's going.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm actually a real hammer.
I don't know. Is it doing it or? I can't tell. You want to look at it?
Yeah. I mean, it's in there tight. Want to show with this one? Keep going.
Good.
Who is it?
Mommy's on the phone.
Oh,
nice.
she's in there. Oh, it went in.
Oh, all the way.
Ooh, is that all right?
Mommy's on the phone.
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
Pick it up. Go pick it up, please.
Went in far.
Shit, is it too far?
Dad, you want this one?
Hope
Yeah.
not.
Just hold that there. It won't measure to it.
It won't. It's too short.
Holy shit.
Where's the tape measure?
Can I go to the front of the... I can't do that either with the bell. Wow, I can't do that shit.
This thing is pretty much useless. What do you think?
Alright, let's... You do a tape measure
Yeah.
for this? Yeah.
Just
Okay.
use a tape measure. To the inner side of this?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that was probably the best bet. No.
You're on it?
I'm pushing against it.
It's 6 1/8.
6 1/8.
Yeah.
Okay. That was close. It was almost there.
Yeah.
So this now would be on the face of this.
To.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh, it's got plenty, right?
An eighth is only there,
Mm-hmm.
right?
So you got almost like an.
And it's-
Got
you
like.
put this on here like this. It's flat.
6 7/8.
That's 6 5/8.
Almost.
So would you say it was 6 1/8?
6 5/8. 6 1/8.
So it's but it's sunken in an eighth also.
Yeah.
So you have
About 3/8 of an inch. 3/8 of an inch
about a half inch.
inside the bushing.
Yeah, because it would be. Okay.
That should be good.
Yeah, so look, you're going. So 6 1/8, another eighth that it's sunk, so it's 6 1/4, and then we said 6 5/8, so that's how much the tip of it's engaged. That's half inch.